Logical indexing is a special type of indexing used in MATLAB. Here we're going to demonstrate how to use logical indexing. First, let's create an array A with 5 values. So it will be a row vector. And next, we're going to create a logical vector which is the same size as vector A. So it will have 5 values. So in this case, I'm going to use true, false, false, true, and true. MATLAB printed out the logical values. It will use 1 to represent true, 0 to represent false. And next, we can use the vector B to index vector A. So in this case, what happens is that MATLAB will search for the indexes from B where its value is true. So in this case, it will find 1, 4, 5. And once it gets that values, it will go back and to index the vector A. So in this case, you will get the first, fourth, and fifth value from A. It's actually a subset. So what is the use of this logical indexing? Well, in many cases, you do not manually create the logical vector. However, you will create it through a comparison operator. For example, in this case, we're going to pick out the values from A, which are greater than or equal to 0.5. And in order to do so, we can actually create a logical vector B, which is a comparison of A to the value 0.5. Okay. Once you do that, you will immediately get a new logical vector B, which is true, true, false, true, false. And we go back to the array A, you will see the first, second, and the fourth. Those values are greater than or equal to 0.5. And if we use that to do the indexing, which is a B vector, you will get those values. Or you can actually do it more concisely, is that instead of you will have 2 steps, you can actually do it in 1 step. So in this case, A, and what happens here is that instead of you using a B, you're just using this expression. So it's A greater than 0.5. And hit enter, and you will be able to see the same result.